welcome to all the new viewers joining us today. I'm thrilled to have you here on my channel where we embrace fashion, style, beauty, and all things fabulous. For those who are new, I'm Bridgette, your go-to guide for all things fabulous in your 40s and beyond. And to my regular viewers, it's always a pleasure to have you back for another journey together. Well, today we are diving into a topic that is essential for maintaining healthy and gorgeous hair. How I prep my hair for relaxer touch-ups. As someone who cherishes every stage of my hair journey, I'm currently 4 months post-relaxer. I cannot wait to share my top tips with you. If you're new to the relaxer game, this video is tailored just for you. So grab your favorite beverage, cozy up, and let's dive into the pre-relaxer routine that will leave your hair looking and feeling its absolute best. Let's get started on this journey to fabulousness together. The first step is to wash your hair. Before diving into the relaxer process, it is important to start with clean hair. So I wash my hair at least a week or a week and a half before the relaxer treatment. This helps to remove the product buildup, the dirt, and the oils from my scalp and the hair strands. Washing the hair ensures that the relaxer penetrates the hair more effectively, resulting in a smoother and more efficient results. However, do not wash the hair too close to a relaxer. At least a week or a week and a half is the bare minimum. This is a safer period to wait. It is also important to choose the right shampoo. When choosing a shampoo for a pre-relaxer wash, I opt for sulfate-free formulas to avoid stripping the hair of its natural oils. I look for shampoos labeled as gentle, moisturizing, or for chemically treated hair to ensure that they provide the right level of nourishment to my hair type, which is relaxed hair. The next step after the wash is to do a protein treatment. Protein treatments help to strengthen the hair shaft by temporarily patching up the areas of damage and reinforcing the hair structure. This is crucial before the relaxing treatment, as the relaxing chemicals can weaken the hair bonds, making it prone to more damage and breakage. By strengthening the hair, protein treatments help to reduce the risk of breakage during the relaxer process. This is particularly important for individuals with fragile or damaged hair, as relaxers can further damage the hair if it's not adequately fortified beforehand. After the protein treatment, I do a deep conditioning treatment. I do deep conditioning treatments to replenish moisture and nourishment to the hair. Deep conditioning also helps to hydrate and soften the hair, making it more flexible and resilient. Dryness causes breakage and dry hair breaks. And most of the times when I lose my hair, it is usually dryness that has caused it. So this step is crucial for maintaining the overall health and elasticity of the hair, especially after the protein treatment, which can sometimes leave the hair feeling slightly stiff or dry. Another thing that I do to prepare my hair for a relaxer touch-up is to avoid all chemical treatments, such as coloring my hair. Both relaxing and coloring treatments involve chemical processes that are harsh on the hair. Doing these treatments too close together overloads the hair with chemicals, which increases the risk of damage, dryness, and breakage. Giving the hair time to recover between chemical treatments is essential for maintaining its overall health and integrity. Allowing a sufficient amount of time between treatments helps give the hair a chance to rebuild and strengthen, reducing the risk of damage and promoting healthier hair in the long run. Another thing that I do in the week leading up to the relaxer treatment is gentle handling and minimal manipulation of the hair. This is important for maintaining scalp health. Rough handling, such as vigorous brushing, pulling the hair, doing tight hairstyles, can irritate the scalp and can lead to inflammation and sensitivity, which can also be worsened by the chemicals in the relaxers. This can bend the scalp during the relaxing process. So by being gentle with my hair, I help promote a healthy scalp environment and prevent bends. So usually in the week leading up to my relaxer treatments, I do protective styling. I normally do loose buns to avoid pulling the hair, and I use alligator clips, the one I showed you in my previous hair video where I filmed my go-to hair products. I'll link it to this video. So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm currently 4 months post-relaxer, and this is my final week before my relaxer. I'm going to do my relaxer touch-up next week. I did my pre-wash day treatment at the salon yesterday, and for this, I did the 4-phase Joico treatment. And the treatment includes a shampoo, a cuticle sealer, a reconstructor, and a hydrator. The sixth thing that I do to prepare my hair for a relaxer and to prevent my scalp from burning is to avoid scratching the scalp and scraping off the dandruff with a comb. This leads to inflammation of the scalp, which in turn leads to scalp burns during the relaxer process. So you want to avoid this at all costs. So don't do it, ladies. Don't be that lady who gets scalp burns all the time. Another thing that I do to prepare my hair for a relaxer touch-up is to avoid undoing my cornrows the day before or the day of the relaxing treatment. I used to do this a lot in the past, but I've since stopped, and I noticed that it causes a lot of tangles and knots in the hair, which can be particularly problematic during the relaxing process. Tangled hair can make the relaxer application process more challenging and increase the risk of overprocessing and uneven results. Another thing that I do in the week leading up to the relaxer treatment is applying scalp oils. And this I do for several reasons. And the first one is scalp health. Scalp oils helps to improve scalp health by reducing dryness, flakiness, and itching. This is particularly important before a relaxer treatment, as the relaxer chemicals can sometimes cause scalp irritation or sensitivity. The second reason for applying scalp oils is to provide a protective barrier that can shield the scalp from the harsh chemicals in the relaxers. So this can help minimize scalp damage and reduce the risk of irritation and burning during the relaxer process. I also coat my hair strands with oils the day before the relaxer treatment. The oils act as a barrier to prevent the relaxer from running or dripping onto the previously relaxed portions of the hair. So this leads to a more controlled application of the relaxer, which in turn reduces overlapping and overprocessing of the hair. The 10th habit that I practice in the days leading up to my relaxer treatment is to avoid working out. I normally train at least 4 times during the week, but in the week that I plan to relax my hair, I stop exercising at least 2 days before the relaxer treatment because I do not want my scalp to sweat. Sweating will wet the hair, irritate the scalp, and open up the pores, making it more prone to irritation from the relaxer chemicals. Additionally, sweating can also increase the hair's natural oils, which can interfere with the relaxer's ability to penetrate the hair strands evenly. So by refraining from intense physical activity before relaxing the hair, I minimize scalp irritation and ensure a more effective and comfortable relaxer application process. So in conclusion, incorporating these 10 tips into your hair care routine can significantly enhance the results of your relaxer touch-ups while promoting the overall hair health. I hope you found these tips useful and that they empower you to take better care of your hair. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends and to subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay stylish, stay fabulous. Bye.